Hello guys, I'm going to be explaining how you can create this kind of lightning with just a cube. I mean just a cube for this kind of lightning. So before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more video. So the first thing you're going to do is to add your cube. I'm going to select Shift A and I'm going to add my cube. Then I can just adjust it. Anyway, you can scale your cube based on what you or based on your scene you get, or based on the size of your character. That's how you scale your cube. So let me just scale it a bit. Maybe on the x-axis a bit, and let's just bring it up. GZ, GZ, I don't know. I think I was scaling more. So GZ, and let me see this. So I think we are good to go. So next thing we are going to do is to go to the tab mode. I'm going to go to tab mode. I'm going to select this face tool. I'm going to select this face. Oh, first, this is what we do first. So let's select all. Let me select this and select a new material. I'm going to assign everything. I'll just name it as body. The reason why I'm doing this is so that you won't have issue when it's time to texture your mesh or your model. So this body, yeah. So let me just select this. When you select insert, when you select sorry, new, select assign. Let me just select this as top. So I'm going to assign this only this face to this top. Do you get? So I can decide to create an insert here. So I selected I to create this. So I'm going to select this and I can decide to bring it down like GZ and let it come, sorry, EZ, and bring it down a bit, just a bit. It's fine. Do you get? So after doing this, I think we are good to go. You can now use the loop tool, Control R for loop tool, and then scroll depending on the size of your face. So, and I'll just click on it, double click, yes, and we'll do it again by the side, and let's just scroll like, I don't know. So let me click and click on this. Do you get? We're good to go. So the next thing we'll do is this, selecting this face. I can just select C. When I select C, okay, I have to select this first. Right click to just cancel the select, and let's select C back. And you can just drag. Just hold on your left click and keep dragging so I can select all the face. Yeah, so oh, sorry, I want to make it wider so I can, yeah. So after doing this, just right click to cancel that. Then select I on your keyboard twice. 1, 2, and just scale it. Yeah, you're going to have this. So make sure you click on I twice. And if I twice doesn't work for you, maybe you should click on I once, but click on I twice. That's the best option. So after doing this, I'm going to cancel, yes. So I'll create another material. I'm going to name it probably the light, because that is where the light is going to come from. I'm going to name it the light. Do you get? So we have this already. So what I'm going to do is to well, there's nothing much to do again. So first in this light, I'm going to change it to emission. Do you get? And we can use like 5. That's good. And other body parts now depends on what you want to use. You can use it. You can change the color to black. Come on, do you get black? And then I'm going to go to the body. You can also make the body black too. Or you can find any texture for the body, and I think that's all. So I'm going to go to tab. So we already have this, and let me just make some adjustments here. I'm coming here. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to scroll, go to 64, I'm going to go to 64, and just change to 0. I don't really need the rendered. So 0.1, yes. So we need to go to cycles now. Okay, I think something's wrong. So let me select the cube. Oh my god, did I assign this? I did not assign this. I think so. I did not assign this. So let me assign this. Select this light, yeah, and assign. Yep. So that's it. So depending on the way you want to apply, you don't have to use it as a rooftop, because most people use this kind of lighting for a garage, or maybe for their clothes, like their streetwear scene setup. So depending on how you want to use this kind of lightning. So this is just how to create this kind of lightning. So you can also check out my mockup on streetwear designs like t-shirts and shorts and hoodie and so on like that. The link is in the description box. So thank you for watching this video. Let me just scroll inside so you can see how it looks like inside. Also, you can also apply an area light, like use an area light above. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So you can play around. You can always change your color and if I change this color, do you see this? So depending on your choice, and let me just use F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's white. And so you can also add an area light like above, just to increase. Maybe you don't want to adjust the emission value, the strength of the emission value. You can just bring an area light, just scale it, and just give it. So like that. So thank you once again for watching this tutorial video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial.